Just go far. It's almost in. I hope this doesn't catch something big. This rope's gonna break in 2 seconds. I said, I hope I don't catch something big. This rope might break in 2 seconds. Yeah? Ian found me a bolt to put on mine. Seems heavier. It's probably that gunk shit again. There we go, baby. You want a screw, Riley? More screws, nails.
I always fuck up in that department. Always.
You've been good lately.
Oh, my shirt too. That one looks even like a little bit smaller than mine. How much pounds is it?
550.
550?
Yeah, it's smaller than yours. It's a little baby magnet.
So let's go get a gun now.
If I don't have all this gunk on it.
I couldn't get the shopping carts up.
He got lucky.
I said I couldn't get the shopping carts up.
Dude, I don't know what's going on.
It is.
I knew that was gonna happen right when I let it go. All right, guys, we got a magnet stuck up here. We're gonna try to pull it off.
That's tragic.
Fresh magnet, bro. And they're probably laughing at me.
You get in the front, Greg. I'll get in the back.
Someone wrap it around you. It's gonna come flying at us, by the way, if we get it off. And I got it on cameras.
Any more gloves? Let's
Wrap it around a little bit.
You need gloves? Are you good?
Yeah, we need more.
We got a shit ton of rope, so go wild. Yeah, I don't want to get hit in the face, so yeah, let's move back. All right, you ready? Oh, motherfucker. I told you we could have died. Luckily, it's a little
Do
bit.
that again.
It's a baby magnet. If that was yours, we wouldn't be. Yeah.
Like he
Yep. That's where it was stuck, guys.
popped it.
Damn.
Don't do that again. That like had no power.
Just boop. I got that on camera. Yeah. Is it recording? Yeah. Yeah, this, I don't know why over there we don't get a bunch of gook on it like we do every other bridge.
You know what I figured out? All that
Yeah, because once it fills up, it's useless.
What?
So once the bottom of your magnet gets all that gunk on it, it's useless. There you go, some bomb shrapnel. Riley? What the hell was that? There's shit in here, Kyle. You see police?
Check this out.
5-0.
5012 Moco.
Oh my god, there's like
Let's see if I can fit through here. Oh, no. I did feel something heavy-ish over here, so I'm gonna try over here. So much fucking rope.
what?
So much rope, dude.
How much did that rope cost you?
Just came with the package.
Same kind.
Yeah, there's something big right here.
That was not. That was horrible.
You already got something big? Huh. Oh, you got something big. Riley, help him. Here, let me get over there.
Can you see it?
Let me give it some slack. Oh my God. Let go, let go, let go.
Holy shit.
Oh God, it's big. I think it's attached. You can see the piece of metal right here. It looks like a sword, but it's attached to the base of the cement.
That shit off, man.
The magnet's not even on it. It's your rope that's caught in it.
Oh, is it?
Oh shit. Be careful, bro.
Yeah, if you keep pulling, it might rip your rope. Hold it like tight, like that. Riley, look at this shit. Looks like a, what do you call it? Like a saw, like an old rust. You see it right here, sticking out of the water.
Yeah, I see that.
But the rope's attached to it. Here, figure out my underwear. You can't pull the metal up because it's attached to the base. Yeah, this is it. It's a piece of rusted metal attached to the base. There's no getting that up. Someone could just fall on that and die. Yeah, those are finds. Good finds. I got extra gloves if you need gloves. Big pocket in my backpack.
I feel like my back is grabbing on shit. It's just not strong enough.
These neoprene or blue?
I don't know, they were Ian's. They should be dry from last time we used them. Wait, you got what? A piece of car? Well, that's really deep right there.
You tried this right down here?
Yeah, there wasn't much but those rocks. And the shit we've been throwing's in there. Just don't want to get that pipe. There might be like an otter living in that pipe. He's peeing again. Some more shrapnel. Yeah, just tie it off to that railing over there. Throw me my rope. Bless you. It's not fun. Because if you make the wrong move, you're in. He wants to be touched. Not it. Riley's it. Where are you going? I'm not playing tag with you.
Why not? Play tag down here.
There's death.
Did you bring your speaker?
I did. Oh, this is big. Oh, I need your magnet. It's like right in here. It was lifting off the ground too. It's probably a piece of whatever it was. Holy fuck. Yeah, it was like right in there. And this shit clogged it up. Pieces of iron.
Finally stuck? No, I'm just pulling slowly.
Nice view right here.
Yeah, it's decent.
Nice little view.
Oh no, that's a swan. That's a swan spawn.
Little dog? You say a little dog? I can hear a police boat. Oh, they found us. What do we got, boys? That's a hollowed out part of a gun. It's weird looking. Is this stuck?
Watch that guy you watched, Craig?
What?
That guy you watched, you showed me?
The Fisher?
The,
The Almighty?
maybe.
The guy who scuba dives?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's an activist. So let's say he had a guy
Yeah.
with the rope connected.
Oh, and they were pulling it back and forth, and they got a knife and shit. Yeah, I saw that one. They do like amethyst like mining. Like they get rocks and find these amethyst like crystals
Oh,
in like North Carolina. I want to do that kind of shit too. Yeah, I'm just dragging it along the side, and I got that.
Where were we when I bought that giant ass Cheeto?
I think it was Eagle Harbor.
Huh?
Eagle Harbor. At that little store. Oh, or was it at the mine?
No, I bought it. Remember that rock that's at my parents' place? This fucking big thing. It's full of crystals.
Somewhere up in the Keweenaw.
Yeah, they only wanted it for like $50. I talked them down to 30, and I went online and like, of course, selling shit like that for over $200.
Really?
Yeah.
See, we're finding shit here. So we're finding shit here. Oh, we got something big. Another piece of whatever that other shit was. Some sort of siding, casing or something. What? Oh, that's huge. It's a bike. You ain't got shit. You want to go down to that end?
Too fat.
I just jumped over it. You gonna go to that end?
Go right in the middle here.
All right. Yeah, I fished like near here, like in here, and there's nothing. And there's a metal pipe, so I wouldn't recommend right in here. Got another piece. More, whatever that was. Whatever the hell this is. It's part of a bomb, I think.
It's cool. You can sit and go over here.
I know. It's a pretty solid spot.
Take a seat. Pull it up. How convenient.
I'm finding most of the shit around the edge. That's refreshing.
No, not right now.
You're always getting heavy shit on the edge, but you just got like nails and shit.
He's like,
Oh no.
You got. Hey, if you're gonna throw it back in, throw it in here. Yeah, there you go.
I got nothing to wrap around because that's enough worry about.
That's why I wrapped it around the pole over there. Got something. It's what I'm catching pieces of whatever this was. It's the other side of the baby safe.
You know what? You're probably peeling off the shit right here. You see the metal?
It's like part of that or something. Rebar. Yeah, there's something heavy right there. Gotta give some warning, dude. Damn. There's something heavy like right in there. My magnet's on it again. You got me? Got something. Looks like a gun. Got a piece of a squished gun. Bunch of this shit. Just make sure you're not touching hooks in there. They like to hide in this shit. Shit. Thought you were gonna go down further. Shit.
Oh, I got my seat. Oh, poop. Damn it. Oh my god, I almost got my foot caught down.
Oh, I got something big. It's barely holding on. First throw.
First throw. Yeah. Oh shit.
Gee, look at that poop. It's a bumper to a Mercedes, it looks like. Just
You know,
in that hole.
yeah.
Catching all the shit though. I caught the. I got the bridge. There's something big right there. Just grabs you, pushes you in. Like right in there. Where my rope's at. Give it a whirl. And just drag it towards you. You should hit it. Yeah, Riley, just drag it along the edge like that to your left. That's what I... You got it?
I think so.
Yeah, sometimes you'll just get that. I get. What do we got? You lost it? We got a gun right here. Oh, just more piece of old pipe or something. Oh.
Oh, did you get that in your mouth?
It's in my mouth, my eyes. I hope so. Down to that bridge? Why, you're not getting anything? Yeah, we can do that. It's only 2 feet if you fall in it. No, Riley, you jump it. Jump that. No, the hole. We got a bottle cap. Coral. Oh. This weekend. Well, I'm getting it cut. I'm still keeping the mohawk. I'm just getting it shorter on the sides again. Before I go back, I'll shave it all the way.
Well, you don't know.
Who knows?
For sure when you go back.
Hopefully in June sometime.
What?
Get off my rope unless you want to go in, dude. You walked on it. Yeah, we should go to the other bridge before it gets dark.
You want to go back to our spot?
No, we're going to that bridge.
Oh, that one?
Greg, you literally could just park down.
No, it's 60%.
Oh, I see it.
We're stuck.
Time to wear your basketball shoes though. First time I seen you wear those.
Fuck, we
All
don't
my
have to
shoes are-
climb up over the railing. Now there's like just going through.
Oh, rip. You got a rip moment.
I'm trying to figure out.
Fucking rip. What? Don't leave it.
It's a lost cause, Riley. We're going to the other bridge.
What's wrong?
I can't get it up.